You've tried affirmations. You've tried positive thinking. You've tried new habits. But deep down, you feel the truth. Your life hasn't changed the way you hoped. Napoleon Hill revealed the real reason. And once you understand it, everything begins to shift. Hill said the greatest enemy of your success is something most people never notice: drifting. Drifting is when your mind moves without direction, reacts instead of leads, follows instead of chooses. You don't drift because you're weak. You drift because the world is noisy, because habits are powerful, because fear is persuasive, because comfort is addictive. Drifting is the silent gravity pulling your life back into sameness. Hill discovered a rule so powerful it can redirect your entire life. A definite purpose, not a dream, not motivation, not a vague desire to do better. A definite purpose, clear, specific, emotionally charged. The moment you define it, your mind reorganizes, your decisions align, your energy sharpens, your inner conflict dissolves. Purpose is a compass, a filter, a force. Without it, the mind drifts. With it, the mind directs. If purpose is so powerful, why don't most people define one? Because purpose demands truth, not the truth you show the world, the truth you hide from it. Purpose forces you to admit what you want, what you fear, what you've avoided, who you could become if you finally committed. Most people aren't avoiding purpose. They're avoiding the version of themselves they'd have to rise into. Hill said this resistance is the beginning of drifting. Hill compared purpose to a key. The door to your dream life is locked, not by fate, not by circumstance, but by lack of direction. Every self-help book, every habit, every attempt at motivation is you rattling the doorknob. But the key, the only key, is purpose. Once you define it, the door unlocks. Momentum returns, clarity emerges, confidence rises, your life accelerates. When neuroscientists study high performers, they find the same pattern. Purpose rewires the brain. It strengthens focus. It calms anxiety. It reduces overthinking. It increases resilience. It boosts creativity. It solidifies discipline. Hill didn't have modern neuroscience, but he understood human nature. Purpose is the master switch of the human mind. Turn it on, and everything else lights up. If you feel the drift, if you feel like life is repeating itself, if you're tired of trying to change without seeing change, then your next step is not more effort. It's not more information. It's not more motivation. You need clarity. You need direction. You need purpose. The free Think and Grow Rich Quick Start session will help you define yours with precision. And it unlocks free access to the full 3-day challenge where Napoleon Hill's principles come alive, with rare footage, world-class mentorship, and guided steps to reclaim control of your future. Click the link in the description of this video. Take the key and open the door to the life waiting for you.